A very good morning to you all, children. Welcome to Nivedita School online classes. Yes, students, in last class, what did we study? About what topic we were studying? Which part? Yeah, it was from the grammar part, right? Yeah, it was English grammar, and in that, the second chapter we were studying. Yes? So, we were studying about which lesson? Can you name? Yeah, lesson number 2, chapter number 2, parts of sentence. Yes, it is a part of sentence. Yes, students, in last class, what did we study? Yeah, like we have the body parts. Yeah, we have the mouth, nose, tongue, ears, eyes, like that only. Even the sentences have the parts. Yes? Yeah, what are the parts of the sentences, children? Yeah, there is a subject and a predicate. What? There is a subject and a predicate. Yeah, and we discussed also in your page number 193, you can see there. Page number 193. Yes, you can see there a squirrel has a fairy tale. A sentence has been given. They have made the part of the sentence, right? They have made subject one part and also the predicate another part. Yes, look here, a squirrel is a subject because it's indicating a person's name or an animal name. Yeah, for that sake only the squirrel has been separated. So for any name of a person, place, or animal, thing, these all comes under the subject, and the rest part of the sentence will become the predicate. Yes, so here a squirrel has a fairy tale. So here there is a animal name, right? The squirrel. For that sake they have made it as a subject, and the rest part has a fairy tale is a predicate. Yes, here the next sentence is Mr. Mohan runs fast. Yes. Now there is a person name, right? Yeah. For that sake, what they have done? Mr. Mohan, they have separated the subject. Yeah. Because it's a person name. It comes under the subject. But the rest runs fast becomes the predicate, children. Yeah. Next, they have used the bird. See, the bird is flying in the sky. Yes, the bird is flying in the sky. So they have used a animal. Yeah, for that sake, they have written in the subject part. But the rest sentence has been written in predicate, which is flying in the sky. Yes, there was an important note, right? In page number 192, there is an important tidbit. There is a tidbit, right, children? In page number 192. In page number 192, a person, animal, or thing spoken about in a sentences is the first part of the sentence. It is the subject of the sentence. Yes, a person, animal, thing, whatever may be, these things have been spoken in the first part of the sentence. The first part of the sentence is it came means it will become the subject. Next, what is about what is said about the first part of the sentence is called a predicate of the sentence. Yeah, the first sentence they are indicating the person, right? What the person is doing. Yes, the rest of the sentence will become the predicate, children. Understood? Yeah, always the name of the person, place, or an animal, if they use, that will become the subject. That should be in the first of the sentences. Yeah, each every sentence first part will become what? Yeah, subject, and the rest part, the backward of the sentence, will become the predicate. Yes. Now let's get into the exercise, children. Yeah, here exercise. In your page number 193, you can see there. Page number 193. Yes, the baby is crying. They have made one answer for us. Yeah, the heading is divide the following sentences in two parts, the subject and the predicate. The first has to be done for you. Yeah, the first one has been done for us. Yeah, let's see the example. The baby is crying. Yes, the first they have used an person name. Yeah, the baby is a human being, right? Yeah, for that sake, the first part will become the subject. Look, have they have written under that subject. And the second one is crying. After the subject, whatever may come, yes, it will become the predicate. Children always remember. Look, they have written here also. The boy is a subject and is crying is a predicate. Yes, here they have not done the homework, so we'll see. I have done it for you. Look here, her father is a businessman. So, her father, they have said father, he is a human being. Yes, yes, children, he is a person, right? Yes, for that sake, her father will become a subject. Look, her father will become a subject and is a businessman. The rest of the sentence will become the predicate. Understood? Next. Nimisha can sing well. Yes, the name Nimisha is a person's name, right? Yeah, for that sake, they have written the subject. Look, yes, there is a subject, and the rest can sing well will become the predicate. Understood? Yeah. Sanya is a naughty girl. Sanya is a naughty girl. So, the word Sanya is a person name, right, children? The word Sanya will become a person name. And the rest of the sentence is a naughty girl is a predicate. Look, is a naughty girl become the predicate. The little boy is sad. Yes, the little boy is sad. They have given. Yes, the little boy will become a person name. It's an human being, right? He is a human being. He has life. Yeah, he is a sad. It will become predicate and the human being name will become the subject. Look, always the first part of the sentence. The first part of the sentence, if there is a name, animal, or a thing, it will become subject, children. Yeah, next look here. The road is narrow. So, at the first sentence, the road. Does the road have a life? No, right? It's a thing. Yeah, we can only see the road, right? For that sake only, they have done the road as a subject. Yes, is narrow is a predicate. Understood? Yeah, they have mentioned in the tidbit also the person, animal, or a thing will be the subject. Yeah, the first part of these things, if it comes, it will become a subject. Yes, next one, the seventh one. The diamonds are shining. These diamonds are shining. Yes, diamonds also are a thing, right? Yes, they will wear a diamond ring, diamond earring, diamond necklace. Yes, yeah, it's a thing. Yeah, for that sake, the first one will become the subject. Yeah, and the rest are shining will become the predicate. Yes, students. Yeah, here is a homework for you guys. These three you should do by yourself. Yeah, you should identify which is subject and which is predicate. I'll be asking you in the online classes. Yeah. So next, if you open page number 194, open page number 194. Yes, look, B part, fill in, Fill the blanks with the subject. Use the pictures clues. So we have to do what we have to do. We have to fill the subjects in the blanks. Yeah, we have to fill the subjects in the blanks. Yeah. Yes, look here. The first one. The dash runs on the rails. So we have to take the help of the pictures, right? Look here. What is there here, children? What is this? Yeah, it's a train, right? So we have to write the train in the blank. The train runs on the rail. Yes, have you seen how the train runs? There will be a track, right? Yeah, on that only the train runs. Have you ever seen the train? Yeah, all might have been seen. And where does the train runs? It runs on the rail. There will be a iron, right, on the ground. On that only the wheels of the train will go. Yes, that's called the rail. So the next one, the dash are going to school. Yes, who are going to school here, children? Who are they? Yes, if one is there means we can say a girl or a boy. They are two members. Yes. Yeah, in your textbook also you can see there are two members. Yeah, for that sake we say them children. Yeah, the children are going to school. Yes, the dash plows the field. Who plows the field? The farmer, right? He works in the field, right? Yes, look here, there is a farmer. So we have to write here the farmer plows the field. The dash caught the thief. Yeah, who has caught the thief here? The police, right? Look here, they have written the police. The dash is the king of the forest. Yes, children, who is the king of the forest? Lion. Lion is the king of the forest. So look here, they have written lion. So next, the dash has a long neck. Which animal has a long neck, children? Yeah, they have given the picture also, right? There is a giraffe. Giraffe's necks are very long. Yeah, their neck is very tall, children. Look, they have written the giraffe. So, look here. Next, in the C section, write suitable predicates to the following subject using the picture. Yeah, by using these pictures, we have to write the predicate. They have given already the subjects, right? The planet, they have given the subject. The rabbit, it's also animal, it's a subject. The peon, he is also a man. Yeah, he's a person, so it's also subject. The Bible, so it's a thing, right? It's a book. Yes, children. Yeah, for that sake, it is also a subject. So we have to give the suitable predicates here. Okay. Yes, look here, I have done for you. The planets moves around the sun. Yes, all the planets revolve around the sun, right? Yeah. Look here, the planets moves around the sun. The rabbit lives in the burrow. Yes, look here. Where is the rabbit living? Yeah, it lives in a burrow, right? Yeah. The peon rings the bell. What does the peon do? Yeah, in school he will ring the bell, right, children? Yes, he rings the bell. The Bible is an holy book. The Bible is a holy book. Yes, it's a holy book of Christians, right? Yes. Yes, children. So, what is your work means you have to write and complete all of these blanks in your textbook itself. Yeah, complete it and revise the lesson, children. While writing, say and write. Say the spellings and write. Yes? Okay, children. So, let's meet in the next class. Until then, bye. Take care. Happy learning, children.